Welcome to Click and Learn YouTube channel.
This is Ford Ranger 2019 model. I done the service. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to reset oil service light. We don't want any computer for this job. I'll show you how we're going to do the job without computer. Right. I'm going to start the car first. Driver door open. You can see oil change required. We done the service and I'm going to show you how we're going to reset the light. You can do the two things. First, you need to press brake pedal, accelerator pedal fully down and ignition on, and hold the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal 30 seconds. Then automatically it will reset as a normal other Ford cars. Okay. Second step, I'm going to show you how to reset with the onboard computer. You have to ignition on, no need to start the car. After that, you have to play with this right side button, not left one, right? I'm going to exit from all thing, press OK, 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 exit, and it's coming to this menu. Then after that, I have to press this arrow key. Press this arrow key, you can see it's coming. Then scroll down with the down arrow key. Scroll down until setting, press OK. Right. Then after that, I have to select vehicle. Select vehicle, press OK. Then after that, little bit scroll down, oil life reset. Press OK button. Now you can see the 0. Then after that, you have to press and hold this OK button. I'm going to press and hold it. See? Right. Oil life has reset. Now I'm going to exit, switch off, take out, and start the car. Have a look at the dashboard. Engine on, door okay, 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 okay. Right. See, oil service reminder disappeared. Once you've done the service, make sure, especially diesel cars, you need to reset this service light. If you not reset this service light, you are ending with DPFO emission problem. Be careful. Once you're done, make sure reset with the manual or computer. Either way, don't going to leave it as it is. We know we done the service, but car doesn't know until you reset the light. Once you reset the light, car know you done the service. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.